माय डियर स्टूडेंट एंड लर्नर, आज हम वो बात करने वाले हैं कि जो बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में वो कंफ्यूजन होता है कि कौन सी बुक ज़्यादातर अच्छी होती है, रेफरेंस बुक्स और टेक्स्ट बुक्स. So this is a topic which is applicable to all the professional courses. So let us see how I justified uh, to read a reference book is good. So ultimately the conclusion is that this book is better compared to a textbook or a book which is written by regional authors. That means local publisher. I यहाँ पे मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ वो सिर्फ एंड सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज की ही बात कर रहा हूँ. So what is the professional courses? We can say that B Pharma, M Pharma, then BE, BE, B Pharm, M Pharm, ME, MBBS, so on. So let us see. So dilution of the knowledge. What? Suppose this is our reference book. From that we acquire our knowledge. So from that reference book, some of the author write according to their view. अपने तौर पे some people are writing and that books is known as a textbook. So from that textbook, some of the intelligent students or professor make their own notes. That notes is this. So this is a student's note. Or faculty's note. मैं यहाँ पे ये नहीं कह रहा कि ये गलत है, ये गलत है और यही सही है, पर मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि अगर आप इसमें से खुद का अंडरस्टैंडिंग के बाद ये बनाओगे, ये बनाना बहुत ही जरूरी है, नोट बनानी बहुत ही जरूरी है, पर खुद की होनी चाहिए. It's not from the senior, it's not from this faculty, it's not from the relatives, because यहाँ से जो आएगा this is 100%. From that you are getting the textbook containing 80%. From the textbook, those who understand and make the note, they write a 50%. If it is your own, आपकी खुद की होगी तो 50% से ज्यादा आप समझ पाओगे, तो खुद की नोट्स होगी तो ये 100% हो जाएगा. So it is important to read directly Bhagavad Gita's or a reference book and to make our own thoughts. Let us go ahead. एग्जामिनर ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. अगर आप कर्नाटका में पढ़ रहे हो तो यूनिवर्सिटी में जो एग्जामिनर्स होते हैं, जो क्वेश्चन पेपर्स होते हैं, दोज फ्रॉम द लोकल. आप गुजरात से हो, दैट पेपर इज ऑल्सो लोकल फॉर फार्मेसी और इंजीनियरिंग. बट जब बात आएगी गेट एग्जामिनेशंस की फॉर इंजीनियरिंग, GPAT examinations for pharmacy or NEET examinations for MBBS, PG NEET. So at that time, the examiner can be from this Chhattisgarh, it can be from this Kerala, it can be from the Rajasthan, it may be from the Assam also, it may be from the Jammu Kashmir also. Now those author from Jammu Kashmir, they never read a book of a Rajasthan author. So I can say those who are the examiner from Rajasthan, they don't read a local publisher book from Chhattisgarh or from the Assam. But normally this examiner क्या करेंगे, वो लोग कोई अच्छे ऑथर की रेफरेंस बुक उठाएंगे and make the paper from the reference book. तो आप अगर गेट, जीपैट और पीजी नेट की एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो आपका एग्जामिनर आपके स्टेट में से ही होगा, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में ऐसा हो सकता है। तो आपको अगर कॉम्पिटिशन्स देश लेवल पे करनी है तो रेफरेंस बुक पढ़नी ही होगी। लेट अस सी अगेन, सो योर कॉम्पिटिटर, सपोज कोई बंदे ने आर्ट्स कर लिया, आर्ट्स विथ हिंदी और आर्ट्स विथ इंग्लिश। सो व्हाट हैपन, सो those who have done arts with Kannada, their competition is only in Kannada, sorry Karnataka, ठीक है। or anyone has done arts with Gujarati, their competition is in Gujarat only. But we, BPharm, BE, MBBS, MBA, those are doing the professional courses. Your competitor is not in Gujarat, your competitor is not in Karnataka, your competitor is not in Madhya Pradesh, your competitor is not in Assam, but I can say, so this is an Indian students. They have to compete with the American students also. They must have to compete with the China's student also. They have to do the competitions for the Australian student also. I can say after graduations or post graduations in a professional course, their competitor is not only in Gujarat, not only in Karnataka, not only in Assam, but they're competing worldwide. And those who are from the China, they are reading this book. They are not reading local author books. They are reading a national or international author books. So if हम इंडियन उन लोगों के साथ कंपटीशन करना चाहते हैं, उस लोगों के साथ कंपटीशन करना चाहते हैं, उस लोगों के साथ कंपटीशन करना चाहते हैं, तो हमें रेफरेंस बुक ही पढ़ना होगा। नेक्स्ट इज, who needs to read local published books? So suppose in case of engineering, the Russian, Germans, Australian, Canadian, they are very, or Indian also I can say, their authors, some have more potential. Suppose you see, in case of Hindi, Premchand is a master, he's God in case of Hindi. उससे ज्यादा कहीं से आपको हिंदी के बारे में जर्मनी से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So those who are doing this bachelor degree in Hindi, they can read this local author books. Suppose I can say Pannalal Patel, he is a master in case of Gujarati language. He is a king of Gujarati language. So in case of I am doing this BA in Gujarati, then his I can say I get a sufficient knowledge from his books. For Gujarati language, हम मुझको ऑस्ट्रेलियन ऑथर की जरूरत नहीं होगी. Then she is master in Kannada language. So if I want to become a master's in Kannada language, then I have to read this book or her books. So is master in Bengal or Bengali language. So अगर मुझको बंगाली लैंग्वेज में मास्टरी लेनी है, so I don't go to the Kannada. I have to go to Paschim Bengal, and their competitor in Hindi state only, their competitor is in Gujarat only, their competitor in a Kannada only, their competitor in a Bengals only. So in this case, I can say non-professional courses student, they can read a local author book, but we are from this professional courses and we must have to read national or international books. So these are the my views related to why should read the reference book. हम नए वीडियो में बताएंगे कि रेफरेंस बुक पढ़ना कैसे चाहिए. थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट.